Hi. Open Instagram and navigate to the video you want to download. Click on the Share button and then select the Copy Link option. Now, open your browser and visit the Google website. Search for Snapista app and open the first link in the search results. Paste your copied link here and click on the download button. After closing all ads, click on the download button. Your video will start downloading. After you receive the notification that the video is downloaded, go to your gallery application on your phone. If you don't see your video here, you need to click on Albums and then click on Downloads. All videos you download will be here. Now you can share and edit videos.